In this video, we'll show you how to build an org chart from scratch. We'll cover why they matter, different types, and a step-by-step tutorial for Lucidchart. To start, what is an org chart? It's a diagram that visually conveys a company's internal structure by detailing the roles, responsibilities, and relationships between individuals within an entity. Why are org charts important? Beyond showing who reports to whom, they improve communication and clarify responsibilities, helping teams stay aligned and efficient as the organization scales and evolves. There are several types of org charts. The hierarchical structure is most common, but matrix and flat structures are also effective depending on your specific team needs and operational style. What are the elements of an effective org chart? You need clear names, titles, and photos. Consistency is key, so use uniform shapes and colors to make the information digestible. Using org charts for strategic planning allows leaders to visualize what-if scenarios. You can identify resource gaps and plan for future headcount by seeing the entire organization in one view. Now that we understand the foundations, let's jump into our step-by-step tutorial, how to build an org chart using the intelligent features in Lucidchart. First, open a new Lucidchart document and select an org chart template, or drag an org chart shape onto the canvas to activate the specialized org chart editor. You can manually add shapes or save time by using the data import feature. Simply upload a CSV, Excel, or Google Sheet to automatically generate your entire structure. Once your data is in, use the context panel to style your shapes, add employee photos, and use Group View to see your organization by department or location. With your chart complete, share it with your team. Lucid's real-time collaboration ensures that as your company grows, your org chart stays updated and accessible to everyone. Now you're ready to build and manage your own visual organization. Head over to lucidchart.com to start your first org chart today. Thanks for watching.